Hey there, digital explorers. Welcome back to Tech Talk, where we make tech tasty. Today, we've got a treat for your digital taste buds: cookies. Not the ones you eat, but the ones your devices munch on. But before we satisfy your tech cravings, make sure you devour that subscribe button and take a big bite out of the notification bell. So, what exactly are these mysterious cookies we're talking about? Well, cookies are like little data snacks your browser stores when you visit websites. They're small text files that contain information, sort of like the notes you pass in class. These notes help your online experiences stay personalized and smooth. When you visit a website, it hands you a cookie with a message. This message can be anything from your login details to your shopping cart contents. Your browser stores these cookies in a virtual cookie jar. Cookies are like your digital assistant, ensuring that when you revisit a website, it knows your preferences, login status, and more. It's like having a personal butler for your online adventures. But wait, there's more to this cookie jar. There are different types of cookies, each with a unique purpose. Session cookies, like temporary sticky notes, are used for a single browsing session. They help websites remember you during your visit. Persistent cookies, on the other hand, are like long-term memos that stay with you. They're stored on your device and can remember your preferences or login details across multiple visits. And then there are third-party cookies, which are like postcards from various websites. They're often used for tracking and advertising. They can follow you around the web and gather information for advertisers. Okay, but how do these cookies work their magic? Imagine you're visiting an online store. As you browse, the website hands you a cookie with your shopping cart's contents. Your browser stores this shopping cart cookie. When you return to the same website, your browser checks its cookie jar and says, "Oh, I remember you. You had items in your shopping cart." It then loads the items back into your cart, so you don't have to start over. It's like having a personal shopper who remembers your preferences, making your online experience seamless and efficient. Now here's the crumbly part. What about your privacy? Some people worry about cookies tracking their every move, and it's essential to address these concerns. But don't worry. Cookies are like polite but forgetful butlers. They remember things, but not forever. Most cookies come with an expiration date, like a time-sensitive note. They only stick around for a limited time. After that, they crumble away, like a post-it note turning to dust. But it's still important to be mindful of which websites you accept cookies from, and to regularly clean out your cookie jar, like decluttering your digital kitchen. So, how can you manage your cookie jar and maintain a tidy kitchen? Most browsers let you control which cookies you keep and which ones you toss out. It's like being the master chef of your digital kitchen, deciding which ingredients you want to use. You can access your browser's settings and find a section where you can manage cookies. You can delete specific cookies or all of them if you want a fresh start, just like cleaning out your kitchen pantry. Now let's talk about the delicious side of cookies. Cookies help websites remember your preferences, so you get a tailor-made online experience. It's like having your favorite dish served every time you visit your favorite restaurant. When you return to your favorite online store, it remembers your past purchases and suggests items you might like. It's like having a personal shopper in the digital mall, making your shopping trips more enjoyable. Last but not least, let's meet the real cookie monster. The cookie monster we're talking about is your browser. It's the one gobbling up all those digital cookies. Your browser munches on cookies to serve you better, just like a cookie monster that can't resist the temptation of freshly baked cookies. So there you have it, folks. A thorough exploration of cookies without the crumbs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want more tech treats served with a side of entertainment. Thanks for joining us for this delicious explanation of cookies at Tech Talk. Until next time, stay sweet and happy surfing.